Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the hidden setting that makes your browsing on Google Chrome way faster. So, how to enable extended preloading in Google Chrome. So, step 1, first up, open Chrome setting and select performance. A quick way to get here is to type slash paste chrome slash settings slash performance into the search bar and hit enter. Step 2. This is often on by default but may not be if you are using a shared or corporate machine. Toggle on preload pages near the bottom with this enabled. Chrome uses cookies to preload the pages it thinks you visit, so when you do visit them, they load super quick. Step 3. Now click Extended Preloading. This widens the number of sites that Chrome will preload, meaning a greater number of websites will load faster. Chrome will also use Google Server to preload pages again, making your browsing experience faster. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. So please give a like and hit subscribe. So I will share more guides with you.